If your knees crack every single day, if getting out of bed feels like someone spent the whole night hammering your bones, and climbing stairs has become painful, then don't skip this video. Today, I'll show you a simple homemade premix made from 6 kitchen ingredients that may help support healthy joints naturally. Our bones and joints are living tissues that constantly repair themselves. As we age, or because of poor nutrition, they may not receive enough essential nutrients. This can lead to stiffness, discomfort, and reduced mobility. The surprising part? Some of the nutrients your body needs may already be in your kitchen. The 6 ingredients are white sesame seeds for calcium and magnesium, flax seeds for omega-3 healthy fats, fenugreek seeds to support joint comfort, black seeds rich in antioxidants, dry ginger powder to support circulation, and ajwain to aid digestion. Together, these ingredients create a nutritious blend that can become part of a healthy lifestyle. Lightly dry roast the sesame seeds, flax seeds, fenugreek, black seeds, and ajwain for 1 to 2 minutes. Let them cool before grinding into a coarse powder. Finally, mix in the dry ginger powder. Store the mixture in an airtight glass jar. Add 1 tablespoon to your wheat flour while making rotis, or mix it into yogurt if that suits your diet. Remember, this is not a medicine or a miracle cure. It works best as part of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications for diabetes, blood pressure, or blood thinning, consult your healthcare provider before trying it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with someone who may benefit, and subscribe for more evidence-informed health tips. The first ingredient is white sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are naturally rich in calcium and magnesium, 2 minerals that play an important role in maintaining strong bones. Adding sesame seeds to a balanced diet can help support bone health as you age. The second ingredient is flax seeds. They are an excellent plant source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help support normal joint function and overall heart health. They also provide fiber and antioxidants that benefit the whole body. Fenugreek seeds contain beneficial plant compounds that have been studied for their anti-inflammatory properties. Black seeds, also known as nigella seeds, contain thymoquinone, a natural antioxidant that may support the body's healthy inflammatory response. Dry ginger has been traditionally used to support circulation and digestive health, while ajwain helps improve digestion and reduces bloating. Good digestion allows your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. Remember, no single food can cure joint pain overnight. The best results come from combining nutritious foods with regular walking, gentle exercise, adequate sleep, hydration, and advice from your healthcare provider. Small, healthy habits every day can make a big difference over time.